Open the YouTube app on your mobile device. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom center to create or upload a video. Select the video you wish to edit. Tap on it to open the editing options. Now, head over to the Edit section. Look for the thumbnail option. Tap on the thumbnail option. You can choose to upload a custom image or select one from the video. If uploading a custom image, choose one from your gallery and ensure it's eye-catching and clear. Finally, review your thumbnail choice and tap Save. Your video is now ready to attract viewers. Make sure the thumbnail reflects your content well. It's your video's first impression. Consider using bright colors and clear fonts. Thumbnails should be easy to read even on small screens. Don't hesitate to change your thumbnail later if it isn't performing as expected. Share your video and watch your audience grow. A compelling thumbnail can significantly boost clicks. And remember, this process is easy and fun. So get creative and start designing. Now go ahead, make your thumbnails pop, and draw on those viewers.